Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you my favorite recipe of chicken soup. This is the recipe that I cook quite a lot of time because it's so easy and simple and it's so fast. All the ingredients are natural and I'm not going to use any MSG at all. And the one thing I will use is instant pots. I'll use the pressure cooker in the instant pot. It just takes 20 minutes to cook the soup and the taste will be very intense. However, if you don't have instant pot or pressure cooker at home, you simply can just cook it, use the stove hour and a half. So I'm using drumsticks because it have the bones and also the meat of the chicken. But you can also use other parts of the chicken as long as you have the meat and you have the bones together, because both parts give very nice flavor to the soup. Add the corns because the corns has very nice sweet flavors to give to the soup. And also add the carrots. The quantity depends on you, so usually 2 or 3 sticks of carrots. Also add more other vegetables like pumpkin, it depends on you, as long as the vegetables have some sweetness in it. And then I'll add about 2 pieces of dried honey dates. This one you can get in the Asian grocery. It also have enhanced the flavor and sweetness of the soup. If you cannot find it, doesn't matter, it's optional. This is the secret weapon of me. 1 liter of this coconut milk. So remember, choose the unsweetened. If you want thinner texture, you can add coconut water instead. Add the water until it reach the maximum of the instant pot. Okay, great. Then you can now just switch on the instant pot and then set it up to pressure cook and start cooking. So it takes about 20 minutes for this cooking process. It is not a sponsored video. The good thing of using Instant Pot is I don't have to monitor the stove all the time, and usually I start cooking the soup and then come back for a few hours later, and then the whole pot is already depressurized and it is ready for drink. So remember to add some salt into the soup before you have it. And for the soup, you can have it on its own, or also you can use it to cook noodles or dumplings. It is a really good comfort food as well. There's no MSG, very healthy, and all the ingredients you can have it for your meal. Enjoy!